Car repossession law in Ontario. In Ontario, Canada, car repossession is governed by the Personal Property Security Act (PPSA) and the Repair and Storage Liens Act. These laws outline the procedures that lenders must follow when repossessing a vehicle from a borrower who has defaulted on their loan or lease payments. Right to repossess. Lenders, such as banks or car financing companies, have the right to repossess a vehicle if the borrower fails to make payments according to the terms of the financing agreement. They are not required to obtain a court order before repossessing, but they must follow specific procedures to ensure a lawful repossession. Notice requirements. Before repossessing a vehicle, the lender must provide the borrower with a notice of default. This notice informs the borrower of the default, the amount owed, and provides a specified period, usually 15 days, to make the overdue payments. If the borrower does not rectify the default within this period, the lender can proceed with repossession. Repossession process. Lenders or their agents can repossess the vehicle as long as they do not breach the peace in the process. Breaching the peace may include using force, threats, or physically removing the borrower from the vehicle. Repossession agents are generally required to notify the police in advance of their intent to repossess to avoid potential conflicts. Disposition of the vehicle. Once the lender repossesses the vehicle, they must provide the borrower with a notice outlining their intention to sell or lease the repossessed vehicle. The borrower has the right to redeem the vehicle by paying the outstanding debt, along with any additional repossession and storage fees. Deficiency balances. If the sale of the repossessed vehicle does not cover the outstanding debt, the borrower may be responsible for the deficiency balance. However, the lender must follow proper procedures in selling the vehicle, and any surplus funds after the sale must be returned to the borrower. It is essential for both lenders and borrowers to be aware of their rights and obligations under these laws to ensure a fair and legal repossession process. If you find yourself facing a potential repossession, it is advisable to seek legal advice to understand your specific situation and options.